Hey there, want to withdraw your Prizepicks to your Apple account? In this quick guide, we will show you how the exact steps to request a withdrawal and ensure a smooth transaction. So let's get started. Before withdrawing, keep these key rules in mind. You can withdraw funds to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card previously used for deposits. If you haven't deposited using Apple ID, you may need to withdraw to another linked account first. To withdraw money to your Apple account, follow these steps. Open the Prizepicks app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. If using a browser, the menu is in the top right. Then select request withdrawal. Choose your Apple ID linked bank account or debit card as the withdrawal method. Enter the withdrawal amount and confirm the request. After submitting your withdrawal request, you will receive a one-time password code via email. Prizepicks will also send a follow-up email to confirm whether your withdrawal was successful. If your withdrawal to your Apple ID is unsuccessful, ensure you have previously deposited with your Apple ID. Double check that your bank details are correct. Contact Prizepicks support for further assistance. And that's how you can withdraw your Prizepicks winnings to your Apple ID. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.